Hey everybody, welcome to Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings. We're going to give you a little tour of our shop. It is a small little shop, but knowing that when you bring your vehicle here, our attention is only on your vehicle and not on a line of vehicles. And we're owner operated. I'm the owner, Matthew Jones, and I'm the only one working on your vehicle. So it is a relatively small shop. It's only 400 and so square feet. We have a lot of lighting in our shop that I want to show you. It's about 400,000 lumens of light. And when you come here, you'll notice how bright it actually is as we turn on the lights for you. And this allows us, especially doing clear bra, to see any defects in the film and just get an idea of the scratching on your vehicle. You'll notice the walls are matte black. And the reason that is because all scratches appear white to the naked eye, and we don't want the scratches in your vehicle to wash out due to a white wall. So we have other lighting as well for corrections, which I'll show you later. Just starting over here, this is a wheel stand that we use to ceramic coat wheels, clean wheels, and our spray system for that. We do have a lot of tools. We come from a race car background, so we have just about any tool necessary to disassemble parts of your vehicle if needed. We do have the ability to get under any vehicle with our Arcane Jack. It's the lowest profile jack that's on the market, so we can get under and reach just about any vehicle. And we even have specific pucks for Corvettes and Teslas, pinch welds. We are climate controlled here at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings, so we have a dehumidifier that's running at all times. We have a HVAC mini split, which has both heat and air. We have a giant Wen air filtration system. It's really meant for, this model is meant for 1,000 square foot, but we like to have it in our shop just to make sure that we can have it as contamination free as possible. This is our peel board. We use this to put clear bra up, put it on here, and we sometimes peel it off. We also use tables. Tables is the preferred method, but sometimes the peel board is required. And we have our clear bra towels. Everything that's done with clear bra is done completely separate. So all the towels, both the dirty towels only get washed by themselves for clear bra, and the clean towels in the bin, and then the paint correction towels are completely separate. We have top of the line flex cordless polishers for the most part. We do have a reel system in place for cords that come down from the ceiling, but we prefer the cordless method. There's less chance of cords hitting the vehicle. There's less chance of tipping things over because cords are on the floor. Again, organization is key for us. And speaking of the reel systems, you'll see them. We have a really cool, innovative system for clear bra, and that's these spray systems here. And you'll see us using it in our clear bra installation videos. But these reel systems, there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and they are at all corners of the vehicle while we're working, and they are fed from a tank that is located in the hot water heater closet. Again, organization, less clutter. It's hanging from the ceiling. And then we have 2 air compressor reels. You'll notice that we control everything in the shop by our Amazon Fire tablets. We are very tech savvy. We like tech. And again, it makes things easy so we can individually turn off lights or turn them on. And same thing, we can turn on our compressor, hot water heater, fans, steamer, and other things from there. And what you'll see here is a switch from what we typically use for clear bra and detailing to what we use for paint enhancement, paint correction. These are 8 scan grip lights surrounding the room, plus 1 portable scan grip light for the floor. And these lights can actually simulate daylight and other lighting conditions with a temperature range of 2,500 Kelvin to 6,500. So we do have the option to sort of simulate an outdoor situation, or early in the morning and midday, to see what the paint looks like under the sunlight.